Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we will discuss about CSS icons. How to insert icons to the web page. Okay, so since there is no lot of inbuilt icons in our HTML, so generally we will go for some third-party icons, friends. So that is Font Awesome, Bootstrap, and Google. So many other types are also there. So, but these three are very famous. So if you want to insert icons from third party library, then you need to link that source. Okay, it may be a page, it may be a file, or it may be a web page. You need to first link that source containing icons file into our web page. So since font awesome is a script tag, you need to insert this script path between the script tags, and using I using I uh, tag, you can insert the icons, friends. So this is the class name. This class name is used by this font awesome library to insert the tags, friends. Okay, so class based selectors, all those topics are discussed earlier, and the bootstrap type is also you need to link this bootstrap is a famous CSS framework, friends. At the end of this tutorials we will discuss little about bootstrap, and then you need to give the bootstrap of icons, friends. And then 1 minute. Yes, this is the bootstrap. Okay, so in the bootstrap framework, icons class is a glyph icon. Okay, so glyph icon, cloud, remove, user, envelope, thumbs up. Here in case of font awesome, it is cloud. Fa means font awesome, heart, car, like that. In case of Google, you need to mention the source of the Google icons file, and then you can write your uh, needed icon names using classes, friends. Okay, let us see in practical how we can do this. Okay, now you please observe that I had linked all these things. This is font awesome link, this is bootstrap CSS framework link, and it is Google. Okay, Google icons link. Okay, now so you need to give the appropriate classes for that. So FA means it's a font awesome, it is related to this one. Okay, so let us load it. It will come here like this. Okay, so it is come like this. No, this first one is cloud. Cloud is there. Heart, next one heart, next one car, next one file icon came, and then bar icon came, like this is a font awesome library. Let me comment it out, and next we will see the bootstrap icons. Let us see, let us uncomment it out. So now this is the bootstrap style of icons, this is the bootstrap classes. Okay, let us save it. Here you can see cloud and remove, user, envelope, thumbs up, all these icons came up. Okay, this is the bootstrap method of inserting icons. And let us see the last one, Google. Okay, this is the Google link. So and the Google classes is this one, right? Save it. Okay, here the Google uh, icons came. Okay, material icons. Okay, friends, this is the uh, general method to insert icons into a web page, friends. And in the next class we will discuss some more topics, friends. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.